Hi, my little stars, or hola, or bonjour, I don't know. So today I'm going to be ranting about AI Jesus videos and AI cat videos. Yes, AI cat. Last video, I made a video about like AI ads. I made a video about AI ads yesterday. Yesterday, I made a video about AI ads are taking over YouTube now. But now I'm gonna be making just AI videos. No ads, no nothing. Just the videos. Just AI Jesus videos and cat videos. So I can't believe I have to suffer. I'm not gonna show you any clip of any of these channels because I will get terminated. If I show anything, because this channel is for kids and I want this channel to stay kid friendly, or else I'm gonna get deleted. So yeah, you know YouTube's rules, they're really funky nowadays. So yeah, so the first thing I'm going to be talking about, the most famous thing, is AI Jesus videos. So people nowadays are using AI a lot, and some of these people and some people are using Jesus. Like they're making like a prompt, make an AI Jesus in a situation, and then the AI makes the AI and then the AI makes the Jesus, and then those people that use AI Jesus, like, scroll if you want him to fall off the Grand Canyon. Like, imagine like Jesus in it, like these videos. Imagine like these videos like talk about, Jesus is falling off a 700-foot Grand Canyon. What are you supposed to do? Oh no, scroll if you want him to fall. But subscribe, and comment if you want to save him. Like, what? Bro, I'm not doing. This is obviously a scam. This is obviously to get YouTube. This is obviously to get YouTube to promote that video, and then this is obviously to get YouTube to promote the video, because it's going to recommend it to more people, probably little kids. It's probably going to recommend it to more kids, which is really bad. I don't think you should do this, because YouTube is going to promote your video. Yeah, and I obviously set the video to public so any kid can see this. Hey, little kids, if you're watching this, please don't fall for any of these channels. They're obviously scams. And it's obviously a way to get YouTube to promote their videos. So just don't get any, if this person ever starts promoting a website, please do not go to that website. It's probably a scam or something. Yeah, and sometimes there's even these videos about Jesus versus a tornado or something. I don't know. Like, he saves the day, he gets rid of the tornado. Like, what the heck? No, you can't. This is an AI Jesus, not real. I thought he got crucified. Why is he alive? Like, I thought he got oofed or crucified. Why is he still here? Whatever. Well, it's just AI, so it's not real, guys. Guys, this is not real. This is just AI. Yeah. And there's also these one videos. There's also this one video, like it's Jesus defeating the devil, and then he's saving everyone. And then this is Jesus versus a tsunami, Jesus versus an earthquake, Jesus versus a hurricane, and blah 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 blah. It's just a bunch of it's literally Jesus and a bunch of natural disasters, and Jesus always wins in those videos, not the natural disasters. Bro, he got crucified. Why is he alive? Why is he alive still? I thought he got oofed. Oh, whatever. So now I'm done talking about these AI Jesus, but now I'm so done talking about this AI Jesus. Now we're gonna go on with the AI cat videos. So these AI cat videos have been going super viral. So these AI cat videos have been going super viral, super duper viral, and then now they're popping up on people's feeds. They don't really pop up on my feed, but they mostly pop up in videos. These videos don't really pop up much on my feed, but people keep getting them on their feed. Like, oh, I keep getting these AI cat videos. I'm so fed up with these AI cat videos. Yeah, like some of these are really disturbing, and their audience are literally kids. Like that's really disturbing. I don't know. There might be something wrong with the owner of the owner of the channel might have something wrong with them. They probably have a weird condition. They probably have a weird brain condition that makes them, or they probably have this weird brain condition that makes them make these videos, or someone is probably forcing them to make these videos. I don't know, but probably not. Probably neither of them, because probably neither of them because oh my gosh, I keep falling. So like these AI cat videos, so they don't really pop up on my feed. Yeah. So as these AI Jesus videos, but we're not talking about that anymore. So the AI cat, the owner, I don't know the owner of the channel, but if I search up like guys, did you just hear that? Guys, that was thunder. It's thundering at my place right now. I'm so scared. Oh, the lights are dark in my room. Okay, never mind. Guys, I was so scared. Okay, never mind. So apparently there's this video of a mom cat that she has her entire insides exposed, and then and then there were like trapped a mom cat and a baby cat was okay. So the thumbnail of this one video had a really disturbing thumbnail of an AI generated mom cat that has her entire insides exposed, and then yeah, that's all I'm gonna say because I don't want to get deleted. So I don't want to get a community guideline strike or get deleted. So yeah, I'm keeping my channel safe. So I know this channel is made for kids, so I don't want to like traumatize any child, or they're probably gonna cry. Oh, mommy, the YouTuber is dangerous, and then the parents are probably gonna report me. So yeah, I'm not trying to traumatize any kid. This channel is kid friendly with friendly role plays. Yeah. So the video shows like a mom cat and a baby cat in a tornado. They run away and go back to their home, but the home is completely destroyed. Like they don't know how to get away from the tornado. So the mom cat like basically gives all the food to her kid, or she eats the food. And then probably the baby cat or the mom cat was left to starve, and then the mom cat like decided to oof her baby. No, she probably ate. She probably ate cat. Yeah, she probably ate. She's probably ate cat. Yeah, ate cat. Ate cat. Yes, that's all I'm gonna say. No, you know what that means. Yeah, I'm not gonna explain it on YouTube because, yeah. Just like other YouTubers, they're gonna get banned. So, yeah, I do not want to get banned. Alright, enough of saying, oh, I don't want to get banned. Whatever. So yeah, and then the video was over. The next, the thumbnail was like, is there another AI cat video? So next, the thumbnail was like a baby cat that was at a water park, and then he has his entire insides exposed, and then it was really disturbing. I did not like that, and then it was really like disturbing. So yeah, it was about like a baby cat having a girlfriend, and then the baby cat asked, "Oh, hey, do you want to go to the water park?" Then the girlfriend says, "Yes, I want to go to the water park. I would like to go to the water park with you." And then they went to the water park, and then the baby cat had an accident. Then the baby cat like tried to ride the slide, but got like the baby cat was riding a slide, and then he like fell off, and then that happened. That happened. The thing that happened in the thumbnail. Yes. And then yeah, he gets sent to the hospital and everything. And then there's this another video about like a school bus. So a baby kitten is going to school on a school bus. So then the driver accidentally crashes the school bus into like a wall or something. I don't know. I can't remember. And then the driver like gets out of the bus, and then he probably, I don't know what happened next, but that's the only thing I can remember. So yeah. So if you ever see these type of disturbing AI cat videos or these Jesus videos, just please report these videos, because they're not allowed to be on YouTube, and YouTube has a lot of kids on their platform. So, and YouTube's rules are so funky, so just go report them. All right, bye my little stars.